Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Slack message is not sending, stuck on sending, failing to deliver, or showing an error, don't worry. This usually happens because of connection issues, app glitches, or workspace restrictions. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, check your internet connection. Slack needs a stable connection to send messages. Open a browser and test another website. If pages are slow or not loading, restart your router first. Step 2, check Slack server status. Sometimes the issue isn't your PC. Slack servers may be down. If messages fail across all channels, wait a few minutes and try again. Step 3, restart Slack. Temporary bugs can stop messages from sending. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, end Slack in Task Manager, and reopen the app. Step 4, clear Slack cache. Corrupted temporary files can break message delivery. Press Windows plus R, type %app data, %/Slack, delete the files inside, then restart Slack. Step 5, check file size or content. If you're sending a file, make sure it's not too large. If it's a message, remove special symbols or links and try again. Step 6, disable VPN or firewall temporarily. Network security tools may block Slack traffic. Turn them off briefly and test message sending. Step 7, reconnect your workspace. Sign out of Slack and sign back in. This refreshes your session and fixes sync problems. Step 8, reinstall Slack if needed. If nothing works, uninstall Slack, restart your PC, and install the latest version. Most message sending problems come from network issues, corrupted cache, or blocked connections, and these steps fix almost all of them. Follow them, and your Slack messages should send normally again. See you in the next tutorial.